We mainly feed on the seeds and tender leaves of aquatic plants, and also prey on small, invertebrates as aquatic insects, and crustaceans that we prefer to inhabit wetlands, like freshwater lakes and swamps, and are skilled at diving and flying dive at this moment. I am parked in the wetlands of Wanhu Lake in Hebei, China as the spring temperature rises. My migration journey to the north is about to begin. Next, I will fly over mountains, rivers, and lakes with me, leaving Wanhu and heading north. First entering Hui, China the Kayaho Lake Balan and we briefly hovered before continuing forward. After entering Shandong, China, the shallow waters were covered with aquatic plants. We briefly stopped here, had the crustaceans and snails in the water, and flapped our wings again, crossing the plain. We arrived at the coastline of Liaoning, China. The waves of the Bahai Bay are beating against the mudflat, and there are many migratory compounds gathered in the reeds along the coast where just at our formation end. Flown of wood entering Yina, Mongolia, China. They briefly drank water by the lake and then continued across the grassland area. Flying across the border, we arrived in Mongolia and maintained a stable flight rhythm, moving forward with Ulaanbaatar. Finally entering Russia, forests and rivers increased, and when a blue water area appeared ahead, it was known that the destination had arrived near Lake Baikal. The reason why you can see trace, it's because I brought Bolovinka's tracker.